In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a VPN, specifically NordVPN, on your iPhone and iPad. Whether you're looking to enhance your online privacy or secure your internet connection on public Wi-Fi, using a VPN can be a great solution. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure that you can set it up and get started with ease. To begin with, we'll need to head over to NordVPN's website. Simply open up Safari or your preferred web browser on your iPhone or iPad and visit nordvpn.com/download. This page is your gateway to downloading the NordVPN app, which is essential for what we are about to do. Once you're on the page, you will find a login option. Click on it. This will redirect you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to sign up first. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the account overview. This section contains all your subscription details and is also the place where you'll go to find download links for various platforms. Look out for the download button and click it. This will take you to a page dedicated to all the NordVPN software downloads. Now, you'll want to look for the More Options button. Clicking this will expand your options, offering different versions of NordVPN for various devices. Your target here will be to find a section specific to mobile devices. Once you've located it, click on the NordVPN option. This will show you different VPN solutions available specifically for mobile devices. Within the mobile options, scroll until you see the VPN solution for mobile option. Click on it. This is the choice specifically tailored for getting NordVPN on smartphones and tablets. Finally, in the list that appears, find and click on iOS. This will redirect you to the App Store, where you can download the NordVPN app directly onto your iPhone or iPad. Once the app is downloaded, go ahead and open it up. It will prompt you to log in with your NordVPN account details if you haven't done so already. After logging in, you'll be greeted with the option to connect to a VPN server. The interface is user-friendly, allowing you to choose from a variety of server locations to best suit your needs, whether it's speed or accessing content in a different country. By connecting your device to a VPN, you're taking a significant step towards safeguarding your personal data and browsing securely no matter where you are. Whether you're using public Wi-Fi or just want that extra layer of online privacy, NordVPN makes it simple and efficient to achieve your goals. I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to explore the app features to discover what works best for you. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a secure connection.